Hello, my name's Andy Birkey. I'm a maker. I've got a shop that I build things in, and I've recently quilted my very first quilt. So I'm not a quilter, but I am a maker. So I decided it would be good to do a little fusion, maybe something that you haven't seen on a normal quilt. This is a leather tag. I have a friend, Tony, who makes these really cool brands. Usually they're made for wood, but I had the idea that maybe I could fire up the old burner and make something cool out of this brand. Leather. That's what it's all about. We're going to give this a whirl and see what happens. Oh, a little too much. Easy now. Easy. Nice and, oh, perfect. That'll work. Cut it down. Oh, yeah, easy. Watch your fingers. Okay. Not so bad. Those things got a little potato chippy. I think we need to flatten them out a little bit. Time to lift a little iron. Literally. Oh. Nice and flat. Beautiful. Trimmed up, ready to go. I didn't know how to attach this thing because I can't pin it on or anything like that. Then I remembered the old basting spray. Squish, 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 squish. Okay, so I put this guy through the washer one time and it didn't even fall apart, which is pretty good for my first quilt. So now with the basting spray, it sticks there pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and mark 1/8" corners on this, and that way that gives me just an idea of where to start and where to stop. Get all 4 corners, Andy. Do it. Nice. Time to do what we came here to do. Let's sew. Oh, turn it. Turn, turn and burn. Go. Go super fast. Nice. Slow down to the corner. Slow it. Oh, nice and easy. Do that last bit by hand. Yeah. So it's laying down pretty good. I like the look of it. I chose this corner because the black kind of sets it off. Plus it has those colors right in that pattern. That's cool. Okay, one more side to go. Boink. I had to shove that whole thing through the sewing machine. It was tight, but nice and easy. In the home stretch. Easy, easy. Nice and perfect. Now hey! Oh man, Fiona's got the quilt again. Thanks for watching. This was fun.